Hi friends, hello everyone who's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider, and today, as always, I'm trying to tell to the people the best way how to make money online, the best opportunity, the best methods. And a lot of the question right now we're receiving my messenger on the Facebook, guys, and I want to answer to this question right now and want to show you exactly the way how to make the money. So if you have the 5 minutes, so please keep in touch with this channel, just watch this video, and this will give you some instructions for the making money online, because maybe you're searching for the way how to make money, yeah, because you're watching this video, so you're searching for the way how to make the money, and I want to give the answer for some people, and also it will be useful for you because you will start to understand the difference about the businesses, the difference about the websites, the difference how to make the money online. So guys, let's start. So first of all, want to tell you that I doing the business online, guys. I'm doing the business online. I'm not doing the job online, because a lot of the people, they ask me every time, team, just give us some website where we can make the money. And when I propose for them business, they start to be confused. They tell me, listen, I need to invest my money in the website. I must invest my money. I don't need it. I wanted a business without investment. And this is the stupid answer which can be, because the business without investment, it's not exist, guys. And many times, thousands of times and hundreds of times, I don't know how many times, but a lot of the times I explaining to the people that difference between the job and between the business, this is so much difference. Because when you go into the job, you do not invest anything, yeah, you just spending your time, you helping somebody, or maybe you propose something for the people, like your skills, which you can do. For example, we will get the platform which call it Fiverr.com, which you can see right now, the link on your screen, guys. The platform Fiverr.com working many years, and already I have also the tutorial on my channel about how to make the money on Fiverr. But guys, this is the job, yeah, this is the job, this is not the business. You're just going right there, and you have maybe the chance, if you're the super one in the creating blogs, maybe you can do the great videos, maybe you can edit in some videos, maybe you can do the perfect Photoshop or something like that, so you can make the money right there. You can just propose something to the people, your skills, and make the money right there, right? But it's not guaranteed that the people will choose you, because you must to be the better than other. There's the thousands of the people, millions of the people who trying to get some money from Fiverr, and when the people, they going right there, they see that nobody buying their gigs, nobody buying their proposals, we can say like this. They start to be disappointed. They tell me, team, I couldn't make any money on Fiverr, give me other opportunity. Guys, sometimes it's really driving me crazy, because the people, they think they can make the $1,000 in the first day, or maybe in the first 2 weeks, without any knowledge. If you just start to search about how to make money online not long ago, so you can find the many websites, you can find the many ways, you can find the many people who propose for you some opportunities. But also you must to distinguish the difference, like between legit, between the scam. You must to distinguish between the job, between the business. You must to understand how that. But it's not gonna be for the one day, it's not gonna be even for the 1 month. You need to find some person who will explain you all of that. And the people start to think, if they will join some website, for example, pay to click, because also I have this question, really, I have a lot of this question. The guys, they asking me, team, just give us the best website where we can pay for click, like $1 for click. Guys, this is just crazy. Sometimes I don't know what to answer for that people, because they think that internet is that place where they can make the money and don't need to do nothing. Yeah, like some of you may be thinking like this, watching this video right now. Yeah, I don't want to tell and to get angry somebody, but I have these people in my questions. They asking me this. Also, I have the opportunity about the copy and paste dropshipping, yeah, where I explain to people about how to make money online with the dropshipping. And the people, they think they just need to copy and paste, and that's it. They don't need to contact sellers. They don't need to every time be responsible for all of that stuff. They really think, that all of this is so simple. Yeah, guys, it's simple, but only from that time when you will understand all the process, when you will have all the contacts, when you will be the really professional in this stuff, so it will be simple. But from the beginning, you must spend a lot of the hours, you must spend a lot of the days, a lot of the month to be professional in this. Yeah, this is the business. And business, it's impossible without investment, because if you open the shop, for example, or maybe you open the e-commerce online, so you must pay for the website, or you must pay for the offline shop, you must pay for the products who will be right there, you must pay for the stuff, you must pay salary, you must pay. This is the business. Because the guys who doing the business, they're responsible for their life. They're responsible for their life. They not working for the salary. Yeah, they working for the income. And every day, every time they think how to increase that income. The people who searching for the job, they just want to find a safe job. They want to find a safe job where there's some company or where there's some people who pay more for them. Yeah, this is the difference between these people. But guys, if you're searching for the job, you will never make more than that company which proposed for you. Maybe sometimes, maybe after 5 years, they will increase your salary for the few cents, or maybe for the few dollars, for the, I don't know, like this is the different companies, they increase some salary. But you every time can be fired from the job. If your boss will not like you, if they will not like that what you're doing, they can fire you every time. Yeah, every day you on the zone of the risk. And also that people, they afraid to be responsible for their life, they afraid to start something new. And when they ask me, Tim, are you serious? I need to invest my money, I don't need it. Yo, no, yo, something like that. But guys, you want to start to make the great money, you want to start to make thousands of the US dollar, and you don't want to spend anything. Are you serious? You don't want to spend anything and you want to start to make the great money? Guys, you know, first of all, I don't know what you must do. You must go to the doctor maybe. Yeah, even the doctor will tell you. Even the doctor will tell you that is not possible. I'm serious for you guys. If you want just to make the money like 100 US dollar or 200 US dollar, so why you sitting in the front of the computer? Yeah, this sometimes I'm crazy about that. Guys, you sitting in the front of your computer, so you're so lazy or what? You can go just to the offline job, you can go to the building, for example, or maybe you can, I don't know, paint in something, you know, like a lot of the jobs offline where you can make this money, like 200 or 300 US dollar, guys. It's possible. And that lazy people who think that can make the, just by clicking the mouse, 200 US dollar, guys. Listen, even I don't want to speak with this kind of the people because it's driving me crazy. I have a lot of this rubbish in my messenger all the time. The people every time tell me, Tim, I want to make it. Tim, I want to make that money, that 200 US dollar. How to do that? I don't have any cent. And you know, the most popular what I have, they call me and tell, Tim, you know, I'm broke. I don't have any cent. And in the same moment, when I go to their profile, I can see that they're with the iPhones they have, yeah, all that stuff. They buy the great cloth, and they don't have the 25 US dollar to start the business. Yeah, guys, you spending the money not in that way which is need to spend. You know, I can buy iPhone also. This is not big money for me, but for me also the Samsung is okay, because this phone already works for me, and this is great. You know, this is the Samsung Galaxy, so it's working also great. But guys, you must spend your money for that things which will bring you the money. And if you spend your money for that things which you'll just use for fun, so you will not gonna be rich anyone. You will gonna be rich. You must understand this. So don't need to write to me that I'm broke, I don't have any money to start to make the business. Guys, if you don't have any money to start to make the business, so go to the job. Why you sitting in the front of your computer? Why you sitting in the front of your computer and waiting for something? This is the crazy for me. Yeah, you can go offline. Maybe if you have the family, because I have also the guys who have the family and they call me, they tell, Team, I have a family, we don't have something to eat, and I searching for the way how to make the money. So bro, why you sitting? You have the family, so go. You must to run. You don't need to sin. You must to run. That if your family is right now waiting for when you bring something, because you're the man. You're the fucking man. You must to do something. And you are just sitting in the front of your computer and searching for someone who will pay you 200 US dollar. Crazy or what? Go offline. Start to make something. And if you want to start a business, of course, business will be with investment. You must understand it on the 100%. The business impossible without investment. If you see somebody who proposed the business, so first, what should be in your mind that if you'll go right there, so you must invest your money. You must invest your money. Like the difference will be just about the price, but it will be investment. Yeah, investment in yourself, investment in the product, investment in the education, but it will be investment. So you must understand. And right now, just what I want to show you guys, I want to show you the opportunity where you can make it. You can make it because we make it right now. We make it worldwide. We have a lot of the people in our company, and just I want to show right now what I have, guys. You see the my page right here. I'm not hiding any information, never. You can see the my page right here. This is the team wider. Yeah, you can find also the link will be in the description for my page. You can add me in the friends. You know, I'm never hide any information, but I will not gonna add that people who don't have the photo, yeah, because sometimes I have a lot of the requests. I just will show you the request. Also, guys, I will not gonna add that people who have the stupid photos like cats, or maybe you have some photos like just I will show you like something like this. I have a lot of the photos. You know, you send me the request to the friends and you even didn't provide the photo. Are you kidding me, guys? You want to make some money and you send me this request? Listen, you should work first on your Facebook. You should be every time quality on the everything, because sometimes, you know, I getting crazy when I see the people who propose some opportunity and they have rubbish on the page. Just you can see my page right now. I'm not hiding anything. You can see my page. You can see where I was with my friends. You can see what kind of the business I do, because we open in the new countries. We have a lot of the guys. We have thousands of the guys who working in the BEPIC right now. You can see that we're doing the live webinars with the Hollywood stars. Yeah, guys, we have the Larry Lane from the Los Angeles, California. He's that guy who working with the Adam Sandler. He working with Mel Gibson. He know Britney Spears. He have her number. He can call her. Yeah, this kind of the people we working. Yeah, this are our friends right now. And you are living somewhere and think that, whoa, which opportunity I should find, you know? Which opportunity I must be looking for. So guys, be epic. Why? Why for you is not the way for making money online? We have a lot of the more than 200 countries, because before when we just start 1 year ago. No, I start 1 year ago when the company was just launching in the 2017. It was 180 country. Right now is more than 200. Yeah, and this list every time is growing. Yeah, you can see our CEO and founders right here. You can see the Larry Lane is Hollywood star. Just I will show you right now, guys. This is this guy with which one we're working. Yeah, this is the Larry Lane, and I will show you right now, guys, that with these guys we not just tell about him. We not just explain. He's right here. He's right here. Just see. I just make like this your microphone. Maybe you can listen. You can tell something to the people. Everybody's listening to you.
Hey Tim, I'm glad to be here. I'm in Los Angeles, California, and you're doing a great job. I just want to say welcome to everybody. I'm excited to be here.
So guys, this is what I want to tell you. What I want to tell you, because some people who propose you the opportunity, they don't know nothing about the business. Yeah. No, I don't want to tell that all the people who propose the opportunity, not me. I'm the perfect one. I'm the greatest one. I'm doing the business, and other people is rubbish. No. A lot of the people who making the great job, a lot of the people who doing this really great, right? But what I want to tell you guys, I want to tell you that BEPIC opportunity is the #1 for me, because this is everybody can join. Everybody can join, everybody can start to make great money right here. And we have a lot of the ways how to earn the income right here. We have a lot of the people who work in here, you know, I told it all the time. And this is it's working great. I see that my laptop, just I need to put the charger, guys. So this is how this works, guys. This is how this works. So I want to tell for that kind of the people who's searching for the way how to make money, guys. So just you must to first think about that what you're searching for, because sometimes guys asking me about the ways how to make money online. Sometimes they searching for the ways how to make money online, but they do not understand even what they're searching for. So if you're really searching for the great business, you can see we open many countries. We open Ghana, guys. We open Ghana. If the guys can make the business in Ghana, we open the 2 offices right now in Ghana, 2. If you're searching for the way how to make money online, you live in maybe in Nigeria. So if the guys in Ghana can do that, so and you live in Europe or you live in the United States of America, and you're searching for the website where you need to click ads or something like that for the $200. So guys, just don't be kidding me, really. Here's the great opportunity which working for anyone. We have the product which everybody can use, and everyone can make the money with this product, because this is that which is really works. This is not the rubbish which other people just showing you on their profiles, you know. You can see any spam on my profile right here. You can see just quality photos, you can see just quality webinars, the partners, the traveling, what we do, and the place where I was. All of that you can just go and check it. You can see that our partner in Ghana right now is really excited about the product. The business is growing. We have just quality stuff. Guys. This is why our opportunity is better. This why our business is better than other. So this is what I want to tell you today, guys. If you really want to start to make the real money online, so you must to do only business. And my proposal for you right now, join Be Epic. Join Be Epic, guys, because here we have everything. We have webinars, we have education, we have contacts. We want to show you everything what we have right now, and this is really work. And you know, guys, right now I want to tell you something. Really, really incredible, that I'm ready to speak with anyone who are maybe tell me for some reason that Be Epic is not legit. What I'm doing is not legit, because I'm working right here more than 1 year. I made a lot of the money right here. I have a lot of the friends right now. I'm traveling. I'm really like that what I'm doing, and this is the really works. I love my products. I love that I'm working exactly in this company, because the Hollywood stars right now is my friends. So this is really great opportunity. So all my contacts in the description, guys. If anyone wants to tell me something, so you can call. I'm all the time online, 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. So, and guys, you know, don't need to write to me that you are the broke person or something like that, because I have this rubbish a lot of my phone from the many people, and sometimes this is the man's who is the more than 30 years old, more than 40 years old, and you know, first answer what I want to tell them. So if you are the man, you must to feed your family, so go right now offline, start to find some work. If your family don't have nothing to eat, you must to make some money. Business is not for you right now. This is not your time. When you will earn some money, so you can start the business, because business without investment to make impossible. Think, guys, this is the honest review about the business. This is the honest review for the many guys who have some stupid mindset. Guys, it was Team Wider. If you're really searching for the way how to make the real business, so we have everything for this. All you need, just contact me. All the contacts in the description, and like I said, I'm always online, 24 hours a day, 7 days in a week. Stay blessed.